Hello everybody and welcome back to another video. And you can't see that, can you? Oh, okay, there we go. And I have made 3 butterfly knives out of Lego. Yes, Lego. It really hurt. I know, be right back. Let me get some more light in her. Okay, yeah, it's good. 3 butterfly knives that I made out of Lego. Get a good look at them. They're rainbow colors, except this one. Okay, on to the first butterfly knife. Okay, here's the first one. It was the first one I made, at least. Well, it's not. It's technically the first one that I was working on, but it's not the first one I made. Oh gosh. Oh lordy. Okay. So, what I used is these right here. See these holes? I used one of these Technic. It's not technically a Technic pen, so I can't say it was a Technic pen. I used the cross pen. I don't know what they're called. Then I used these little cross pen things to hold it in. And instead of Technic pen to hold it in, I just used this. And there's the connector piece down here is a 2x3 plate to hold it in. It's very loose. Use a Technic rod, I think they're called, for the blade. Whoopsie. I just hit the table with it. It's very loose and won't stay in one spot. No! Daniel's cat. Look at it. It's so ferocious. She has fleas and I don't understand why she's supposed to be in my room. Okay. Enough of that. On to the next butterfly knife. Forgot the name of it for a second. Okay, here's the second butterfly knife. This is the first one I made when I was fiddling around with Technic stuff. So what I did, used a 1x3 Technic rod to hold that in, and 3 Technic pins to hold these in. Used a 1x5, used 2 1x5s for the handles, and 1x7 Technic rod for the blade. Now, God, this is gonna be hard. I'll be back. Okay, I finally got it opened. This is it. The handles are a little bit short, but don't judge, don't judge. At least it stays in one spot. If you look at it one way, you can turn it to an Eiffel Tower. Teddy. Teddy. I like this one. It's small and funny. It was just funny to make. So cute. So cute. Okay. On to the next butterfly knife. Me. Okay. Okay. On to the next butterfly knife. Okay. This one I looked up on YouTube. Was making a butterfly knife. I looked up on YouTube, and he made this. I'm not going to tell you the measurements of these because I'm just too lazy. But the bad thing is when you open it, oh god, it's supposed to be loose, but I would have to use gray Technic pins which those are loose, and it'd be able to move by itself, flop around and stuff. But if you look at it, it's uneven. I don't like that. And you fold it back down, it's even. That's the word. This, I just chose a red blade because I chose a red blade. It's supposed to look like blood. Actually, I don't know why I chose it. I just chose it. Yeah. America. I think it's cool. Yeah. Okay, guys, that's the end of this video. Hope you enjoyed. And make sure to punch that like button in the face. And subscribe. Don't get in my way, as Boba Fett says. Peace. I don't know how I did that. Peace.